If you want to add text pool into the photo on Poco C85, start by opening the gallery. Next, you will have to open your photo, click on this icon, and right now go to the markup. Then click on this icon, and now as you can see, you can make it bigger by using this arrow button. So we can slide like this, but you can also rotate this pool text. And here, when you click on it, you will get another option. So you can just input any phrase that you want. You can go for the style and change the color of the font and add some additional effects that are available here. You can change alignment for this, and you can also change a font. Currently I've got only one, so if you want to download, you will have to go for the theme store and click apply to get this. And if you want to quickly copy and add another text pool, you have to click here, and now you can find two of them. And here, by clicking on this button, you can also see how it looks without the text. And if you want to apply, you have to just click save button in the right upper corner.